Hi everyone, welcome to my first weekly update of my dividend growth portfolio. If this is the first video you are watching, I would recommend going back to episode 1, where I give a high-level overview of my portfolio in the past 2 years of history. In these weekly updates, I will be providing you my gain or loss for the week, and then be comparing my results against the S&P 500 and TSX weekly performance to see how I compare. I'll then be going through any dividends, new contributions, and any new purchases I have made for the week. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more like it, please consider subscribing, as it will help out my new channel a lot. First up, we have my Wealthsimple Trade portfolio, where I'm currently down on the week $126.13, or 1%. Now it is important to note that Wealthsimple Trade does round off the percentage to the nearest number, so I'm actually down 0.92%. However, Wealthsimple Trade will show it as negative 1%. And then we have my QTrade portfolio, where I just have 5 individual holdings, but have a lot more invested into each individual holding. For the week, I was only down $8.28, or a whopping 0.07%. So we can see that this portfolio held up quite a lot nicer than my Wealthsimple Trade portfolio. If we look at it from a total portfolio perspective, I was down on the week $134.41, or 0.51%. If we compare this to some of the indexes, we can see that the S&P 500 was down 1.68% on the week, while the TSX 60 was down 1.19% during the week. In comparison, I'm happy with my portfolio's performance, as it upheld its value more than these indexes. However, this was during a negative week, so we will see if it can provide just as much upside potential during a positive week. I did not make any new contributions or purchases during this week. However, in the next weekly update, you will see that I did make new contributions and purchases in my Wealthsimple Trade portfolio. I did, however, receive some dividends in both of my portfolios, which I will get to now. Because this is my first weekly update, I will just go back to the beginning of September for any dividends that I've received. Starting off with my Wealthsimple Trade portfolio, you can see that I've received 5 dividends so far in September. The first one is from Canadian Utilities for $3.52. The next one is from Fortis for $4.04. We then have Enbridge for $5.85. We then have RioCan for $3.60. And we then have H&R REIT for $2.24. Looking at my QTrade portfolio, I received 2 dividends on September 1st, one from Enbridge for $63.46, and the other one from XRE, which is a REIT ETF, and I received $3.21. This brings my total dividends month to date of $85.92, which is a great way to start off the month. And that is my weekly update of my dividend growth portfolio. If you want to see all 30 holdings inside my Wealthsimple Trade portfolio, I did just recently upload a video showing all my holdings and any gain or loss in each position. Please let me know in the comments below if you want me to include anything else in these weekly updates, as I'm always open to suggestions.